welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Mon Bazou, or I don't know how the freak you say it, but yeah, we're playing this game anyways. And basically, you gotta come outside. No, use a little bit of cheats. We got the road paved early, but if y'all played this game before, y'all know the truck's completely stock right now. And this car is, yeah, I've basically done nothing in this game. Well, I have on my game, but this one's my brother's. I'm just on it to do some stuff for him. And I figured since all this, I'm gonna move. I gotta move this truck. I really gotta move this truck off the hill. Because the way it is right now is just everything is getting in my way. Alright, we gotta go without wrecking. The truck's not even turned on, in case y'all didn't know. I'm just trying to, make it better, guys. Basically, whenever I get done doing what I'm trying to do, well, basically, after I get done chopping this wood, I'm gonna take it over to my brother in the game, which his name's Francis. If y'all didn't know it, I think it's out of gas. I'm not only left it running all night. Okay. Basically, okay, there's still gas in here. That's good. That's good. There's still gas in here. It's gonna give me 10% gas in here. Which I wonder how much gas that'll put in the truck. Because the truck needs gas and needs to quit geeking and tweaking. Oh, whoop, not a lot of gas. Oh, okay. I'm basically gonna unhook that because I feel like that's making it. Yeah. Okay. But this video is probably just gonna be a quick one. I don't know, guys. I know. Well, hopefully, I'm gonna have this truck somewhat done by the end of this video. Because he said he wants it black and he wants me to get it squatted. And he said enough where he can still see, but I don't think it's gonna be able to see. Because I'm gonna basically put a like 12-inch lift on the front and keep the back and everything stock. So, yeah, it is what it is. And this might be on like the longer side of videos. But, like 2 seconds. I have to make sure no one comes in here while I'm trying to make this so we don't get interrupted. Okay. I just texted my brother, told him that I'm making a YouTube video, so don't come back here. But yeah, guys, basically, I hear footsteps. Oh, that's just a cat. Yeah. That's just a cat doing something, guys. But I'm really not planning on using mods, well, cheats for this. But if it all comes down to it, I might have to, because if y'all look over at the gas tank, little man's truck's literally on E. And I gotta take this to Francis, which is my brother. Then I got to go to the gas station, if I'll make it. If I can't make it to the gas station, then I'm gonna just have to use the cheats, I guess. He's spending a lot more money than I thought yesterday. I turn off the truck just because I ain't got the gas to be wasting right now. But
Asti que j'ai hâte à l'été. Ah. Moi et tous les fins de semaine, c'est parti.
also, this was supposed to be. Alright guys, I don't think the garage has been done in this video because I'm sure y'all don't want to just sit here and watch me just chop wood. Plus that's really annoying considering the fact all I wanted to do was get a garage built to put the lift on the truck. But that's not happening. By the way, guys, and the control. Oh. Well. Okay. Basically, yeah. There we go. Like I said, I was trying to make it to the gas station, but honestly, as I wasn't able to make it. We'll go ahead and stop by here first, though, and get the lift for the truck by. And by the way, guys, since well, I guess I gotta do this since I gotta wait 2 days. I'm really not trying to use cheats, but I need to get this lift done. And I want to do it on the video, but I got nothing else to do for 2 freaking days. I thought I put my parking brake off. Did I hit something? No, I guess it just decided to take a walk over here. See, my parking brake is on, guys. I'm gonna sit there and tell me it ain't, because I know it is. And it's back on. Okay, we're gonna too. Those back there. And I'll go ahead and just go with shifter. I'm gonna use this shifter. Gonna throw it on there. Alright guys, basically. In today's video, like I said, I was planning on getting the other freaking truck done. Not the truck. I don't know. My bad. I don't know the garage build. But yeah, I'm gonna just come down here. We don't need gas no more. But we do gotta come talk to these lovely people in here. Yes, just yeah.
Hey, comment est-ce qu'il va aujourd'hui? Hey, prends-toi donc une petite canisse de sirop pour la route, là.
Non.
Oh, des belles bébelles, ça.
I know this ain't realistic, guys, but it's about to suck getting this done in my damn driveway. I'm gonna put the tent on though. I don't know if he wanted the tent like this, but this time I'm doing the tent, and it'll be okay. I know he said he wanted 0%. I asked him if he wanted a tent on the windshield, and he said no. But I still put 5% on the windshield, so it'll be okay. And what's this 2-inch hitch? Alright guys, I'm gonna buy these bolts too. I hope I have enough bolts, cause I'm gonna go buy me some wheels and tires too. That was supposed to be. Alright guys, I gotta stop and check the mail, cause he said he hasn't done it.
When the air is hot, there's only 16 miles until the service stops. Invincible like rocket. Can't name none of one of y'all stop me or not me.
Sorry.
Just sit back and love me, chop me. Ain't no to this rap. I don't mind how we wanna try. What you think about that? You trying to catch up, not fall back. This slam hard as shit. I want to be called piggyback. Yeah, I smack the whack. Bougie flow, call it front neck. I'll rap.
I'm sorry if y'all like this long video or whatever. But if y'all guys want to see more videos like this of Mon Bazou or GTA, I'll start FX19, which I'm probably make a video on that pretty soon too. But if y'all want to see like seeing game videos and everything, just let me know down below in the comments. Once we get back to the house, I forgot to stop and get the whips. You can rock these rusties for a little bit. Until next time in town, which probably won't be on the whips. I'm going back into town while I play it this time, but I'm probably going to be off the video by the time I get back into town. Because I'm planning on just going there, installing the lift in the truck and just in the video there, and get the car finished off camera, get the truck built off the camera, and I gotta get the wood cut for the garage too. Yeah, I left my gas tank at home. Hey, yo. Hey guys, basically it's about to. basically. And no, I'm not gonna do that, guys. The damn truck's being gay. Like it is with me. Because in this game, this truck, it don't like to be put up on jack stands. So, yeah. Basically. Basically. Just want to get all this done the best to my ability. Since I don't have the creeper. So yeah. Don't worry, guys. Let me go ahead and take this bolt out. Yeah, I forgot to get 20 mil bolts, by the way. This sucks. Alright, good. I'm gonna set you down. I want to get you removed. Go ahead and take the 12-inch lift. And yeah. Here's the 20. Let's see, guys, we got the black 12 over here. So basically, this video's running like 20 something minutes long. And that don't look too bad, honestly. He's still gonna be able to see out of it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little technical difficulties. Some things is easier with the controller, and some things very much ain't. Like on Farming Simulator 19. No, I don't know how this always ends up happening. Anytime I change suspension, I always have another 12 mil left. Always. And I don't get how. But no, guys, I don't even think actually that I need to even take the wheel off to do it. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. Give me like 2 seconds. Having a little technical difficulties. Huh? I gotta figure out how.
See what?
I'm
Excusez-le.
sorry. Yeah, sorry. Let me just get this bolt out and plug the controller back in and hope it works. Oh, guys, see, that's what I'm talking about. Freaking, look, we got 20, wait, what? No. I need let's see. Okay, so that 20. Gosh, I'm sorry, guys. Right here. Yeah, right. Right here. Right here. Ooh, whoa. Okay. Alright, people. It is what it is. I can basically crawl up underneath the damn wells. I'll go ahead and grab. Yeah. And no. Alright, watch guys, you can still see out of this truck just fine, I bet. A little bit. Yeah, you can still see out of it. But it's not as good as you could before. You can still see out the back pretty good. But it is what it is. If you don't like it, it's literally two bolts you gotta take out to get it fixed. But yeah, guys. Basically, I'm just end the video off right here. And I'll catch y'all guys next one. Peace.